Hi mga ka-tech team! Mayroon ka bang QA interview soon? Subukan natin kung masasagot mo ang mga common QA interview questions na madalas tinatanong ng mga recruiters. Question number 1. What's the difference between QA and QC? The answer is, ang pagkakaiba ng QA at ng QC, QA or Quality Assurance focuses on preventing defects by improving processes. Samantalang ang QC or Quality Control focuses on finding defects through testing. Question number 2. What's the difference between severity and priority? So ano nga daw bang pagkakaiba ng severity versus priority? Severity is kung gaano kaseryoso ang impact ng bug sa system. Priority naman is kung gaano kabilis itong kailangan ma-fix. Question number 3. What is test cases? Ano naman daw ang test cases? Ang test cases ay isang document na may steps, test data at expected results para ma-verify kung tama daw ang behavior ng feature. Question number 4. What is regression testing? Regression testing means is a testing existing functionalities after changes or updates para siguradong walang ibang feature ang nasisira. Question number 5. What is smoke testing? Ano daw ba ang smoke testing? Smoke testing is a quick check ng critical functionalities para malaman kung stable ang build bago mag-deep testing. Question number 6. Verification versus validation. Ano daw pagkakaiba ng verification at validation? Verification as, are we building the product right? Validation as, are we building the right product? Question number 7. What makes a good bug report? Anong laman ng magandang bug report? Dapat may clear title, steps to reproduce, expected result, actual results, screenshots or recordings at environment details. Question number 8. What is explanatory testing? Ano nga daw bang explanatory testing? Ito ay testing without predefined test cases kung saan actively mong ine-explore ang application para makahanap ng mga issues. Question number 9. What if you can reproduce a bug? Paano daw kung hindi mo ma-reproduce ang bug? Magko-collect ako ng additional information tulad ng logs, screenshots, device, details, browser version at exact step from the reporter. And last question, why should we hire you as a QA engineer? The answer is, because I have strong attention to detail, I communicate issues effectively, and I help ensure high-quality software that provides a great user experience. Kung naghahanap ka pa ng ibang tip, follow me for more tech info. Thank you!